Let's just take a few moments just to move into the body to get yourself comfortable. As always, make sure that you are seated comfortably, whether it's on the floor, at the edge of your couch, at the edge of a chair, or maybe even sitting on something, yoga blocks or meditation cushion, or whatever you have at home. And let's just take a nice big inhale, lift the arms all the way up. And as you exhale, twisting over to the right, just sitting up tall, shoulders away from the ears, spine is long, just moving through the body a little bit. And some of you probably just woke up, so maybe you haven't moved yet. And then inhale, lift the arms, good morning. And exhale over toward the left. And again, the spine is nice and long. Shoulders are down away from the ears. Good, and then inhale back up through center. And as you exhale, just do a little forward fold right here. Just let the head go heavy, reaching the fingers forward. You could stay on the fingertips if that feels better. Let the head really relax though. One more breath. And then sitting up nice and tall. All right, so we'll get started with the meditation. So again, find that comfortable seat. If you feel like you have to shift around, please do so. And then allow the eyes to close. And just take the first few moments here, allowing yourself to arrive in this space. Right, maybe you just rushed to log on, or maybe you weren't even planning on, and you just kind of saw this on your feed, right? So sometimes our body is physically here in this space, but our mind is like 40 other places, right? Which is very common. So just take a moment to allow those two things to start to mesh. Right? That's part of yoga. That's that union, that bringing together of the mind and the body. Feeling that connection between both. And then allow your awareness to come to the breath without changing the breath. Just notice. Notice how quickly you're breathing or how slow. Notice if the breath feels shallow or deep. Notice if there's like this rhythm to the breath, or if it's kind of just figuring itself out for the day. And then I want you to take notice of how many seconds you're inhaling and exhaling for. So typically on a natural breath, it's going to be anywhere between 2 and 3 seconds, right? Not super long. And then whatever your number is, I want us to double it, right? So if you're at 2 seconds for your inhale and 2 seconds for your exhale, you're now at 4, and so on, right? So if that doesn't feel attainable, then just take it down a number, but try your best to really take those really full, deep inhales and those full, deep, releasing exhales. Think of your lungs like balloons, right? And on each inhale, you're filling to your fullest capacity. And on your exhale, you're gently releasing everything out, getting that sense of emptiness in the lungs, making room for that next big inhale. And as you start to elongate the breath, just like yesterday when we were talking about the breath feeling like the waves of the ocean, right? This breath should feel fluid. So it's as if you were taking a cup of water and just pouring it into another cup of water, right? It just mixes instantly. So the inhale pours into the exhale and then pours into that next inhale. Nice and calm and steady. keep this breath going, this nice, relaxing, elongated breath. And notice if there has been any shift in the way that you feel right now from when you first sat down a few moments ago. And when we start to observe things within ourselves, it's without judgment. It's purely just an observation of what is going on. Right? So if you don't feel any sort of shift, if you feel exactly the same as you did, let's say like 6 minutes ago, then it's okay, right? It's just what you're observing. It's just your experience. And that's okay. Allow yourself to let go of the before and after. Just staying in this present moment with the breath. And then begin to bring your awareness to your third eye space. So the space between the eyebrows, that intuitive center of the body. And as you inhale, imagine gathering all this white light energy, this positive energy into that space. On every inhale, you're taking in this positive white energy. And on your exhales, allow yourself to release it back out to the world, to the universe. Okay? So every time you're fulfilling yourself, and then you're sending out that positivity back out to the world. Feel yourself being replenished, revitalized, refreshed. As we wake up to this brand new day of possibility and opportunity. Feeling ready for whatever comes our way today. Slowly allow your chin to drop down toward your throat and bring your palms to meet at your heart center, representing balance and harmony. May you slow things down and find peace. May you appreciate life and all of its simple treasures. Pura vida. I bow to the light and love in you that is the light and love in me. Namaste. Thank you guys so much. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'm teaching 2 classes at the studio in like a half hour. So if anyone is interested in coming either in studio or logging on to Zoom, there's Vinyasa at 8:30, and then there is Gentle at 10. So if anyone's interested, just let me know. I don't know how many studio spaces we have left. I haven't looked yet this morning, but hopefully we have a few. All right, guys, have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for logging on. Thank you. Thanks, Julie. Oh, I see. Jasmine was there, Mary, Kim, Monica. All right, awesome. Thank you so much, everybody. And again, I can't see who's on on Facebook. I can only tell who's on Instagram. So I apologize if you guys are watching and I'm not saying your name. It's only because one screen at a time will really show me. Oh wait, I think I could see maybe Amy. I think I have Amy, another Amy, and Shannon and Doris. That's who I could see so far. Thanks all. Love you guys.